Planet Ark's National Tree Day has been running since 1996. And over that time, we've had nearly 5 million volunteers plant over 25 million native trees, shrubs and grasses all over Australia. For this year's National Tree Day, we're doing something a little bit different. We're engaging in an activity called forest bathing, or Shinrin-Yoku, as the Japanese would have it.
A sensory, immersive nature walk. It was almost like surrendering to everyday life, the hustle, the rat race, and it was just like stop and be one with nature again.